My name is Dr. Ananya Agarwal. I'm from India and I'm a private consultant at a private hospital. And I've been doing obstetrics and gynecology for past 6 years with a basic knowledge of hysteroscopy and laparoscopy. So when I was looking for internationally recognized something structured, a certification, I came across JISIA. And of course, JISIA stood out the best. It assesses the skills for theoretical and practical knowledge. Professor Attilio is here, and he had come to India. And I had an opportunity to learn from him the advanced hysteroscopy, and I was very much confident that I really want to go. And I was happy when this course came across, and at the same time the JISIA certification happened. And the tutors were really good. They were the best, and of course I've been trained in India as well, but then all the tutors over here, they hold your hand, they accommodate all the questions, and yeah, they really make us comfortable while doing everything. So thank you so much. And yes, rating would be 100 on 100, of course. Definitely I would recommend this course because the way they are teaching in a structured way, having the theory and the practical at the same time, I don't think so. We do get such opportunities in a lot of places. I am thinking of giving level 2 if I pass level 1, of course. So yeah, it would be nice, and it was encouraging for me to go more in depth for laparoscopy and hysteroscopy after giving today's exam. So the intensive course which I had in Naples in these 4 days, I think I've learned so much that I might not have learned over my post-graduation as well. The small nuances, the techniques, the skills, I'm sure when I go back to my country, it'll help my patients a lot, especially the infertility ones, which before these 4 days I had no answer to. So yeah, I hope I can make a difference over there. Definitely I would recommend them. Because this sort of structured program is still not available in my country, India. And while doing the post-graduation, nobody teaches us stepwise approaches. So yeah, I would definitely recommend other people to come and finish the course because it'll really help them out.